What if a man who was caught for a traffic violation gave money to the traffic police? What crime will he be liable for? Most of us would have answered, of course, it's bribery. Marco was driving along EDSA when he was apprehended by a traffic police. He was being apprehended on the ground that his car was prohibited from plying the street as the plate number of his car was coding, so to speak. Instead of simply handing over his driver's license, he inserted a 500 peso bill with it so that the traffic police will not confiscate his license. A motorist witnessed everything and reported the matter to the authorities. Who shall be held liable for bribery? The one who will be liable for bribery is the traffic police who accepted the money from Marco. Bribery is an offense committed by a public official who accepts gifts or money from people they transact with in order for them to commit an act amounting to a crime or refuse to do an act which they are legally obligated to do so. But this does not mean that Marco goes scot-free. Marco will also be held liable for the crime of corruption of public officials. A person shall be held liable, therefore, if he is a person who promised or gave gifts or presents to a public official in order to gain favor. Do watch us next week for an in-depth and more exciting discussion of other types of bribery. If you have any questions regarding your legal concerns that are not yet pending before the courts, please do not hesitate to email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. This is JJ Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.